Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop other people from adding unwanted members to your Telegram group, or from even adding you to groups without your permission. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to take control of your Telegram privacy settings and keep your chats cleaner and your group just the way you want it. So let's get right into it. First, let's talk about your own privacy, specifically how to make sure other people can't add you to random groups. If you've ever opened Telegram and suddenly found yourself in some strange group, you know how annoying that can be. Here, what you need to do, start by opening Telegram desktop. Once you're in, look in the top left corner. You'll see three little lines stacked on top of each other. This is your menu button. Go ahead and click that. Next, head to Settings, which has a gear icon next to it. Think of this as your control panel for everything about your Telegram experience. Inside Settings, find the section called Privacy and Security. This is where almost all your privacy controls live. Scroll down until you see something labeled Groups and Channels. Right here, you're going to find the controls over who can add you to groups. You'll see an option that says, Who can add me? Click that. Now you'll have a couple of important choices. The first is My Contacts. This means only people you actually know and have saved in your phone's address book can add you to groups. This is a nice balance between convenience and privacy for most people. If you want to lock it down even more, there's an option for Nobody. This will prevent basically anyone from adding you to groups. A quick heads up. Sometimes, if someone has Telegram Premium or you have mutual friends, there's a small chance you might still get invites, but in most cases you'll be off limits. If you want to customize things even further, you'll see an Exceptions section. This is great if there are one or two people, maybe a close friend or family member, that you always want to allow, or someone you specifically never want bothering you. You can set Always Allow or Never Allow for individual users so you don't have to treat everyone the same. Take your time here. Making the right choices now means you'll have way less group spam later on. Alright, let's switch gears to your own Telegram group. Maybe you run a community or have a group chat for a project, and you want to control exactly who gets invited. Telegram allows admins and sometimes even group members to invite others by default, so if you want more control, here's what to do. First up, you'll need to be an admin or the owner of your group. Regular members can't change these settings, so if you don't see some of these options, double-check your role. Open up your Telegram group from the desktop app. Up at the very top, click your group's name. This will open the group details page. Next, look for the edit icon. It's usually shown as a small pencil. Editing settings is where you'll find all the admin magic. Now look for a tab or button called Permissions or sometimes Admin Controls. Here, Telegram lays out who is allowed to do what in the group. Look specifically for the option that controls adding members. You can toggle this off so that only you or a select few admins can add new people. This is a super important way to prevent spam or keep invite-only communities just for the people you trust. If you want to make things even more secure, consider setting your group to private. This means people will need a special link to join, and random ads are much more difficult. That's it. With just a few careful tweaks, you control your Telegram experience. No more surprises from unwanted group invites or accidental mass ads. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you ran into any trouble or have follow-up questions. And of course, subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech guides just like this. See you in the next video.